Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so we will be doing all this together right here in this video. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3am trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So this actually started an uptrend. That is why you are seeing the more of the yellow flag than the red flag, and of course it has been buying since then. So it got to this resistance zone at the pullback, and of course went back up to break out above it, and right from there it has been buying. Okay, so it has been buying, and of course it's been more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, if it breaks out below this, then we are most likely to have it selling till it gets to this horizontal line. Okay, but if it does not, then it will go back into our a buying trend, and of course it should be targeting this particular resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so if it breaks out below this trend line, then it should get to this region. If it does not, it will get back to this. Okay, so this is trying to go back into a downtrend, so we should expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but we need it to break out below that trend line, and of course below the horizontal line. Okay, it should break out below this, and of course if it gets here, once it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This actually went on downtrend and came to an end around there. It bought for a while, and of course came back again, and of course it's buying right now. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and of course we will be checking it out together guys. So this actually went on downtrend and it came to an end at this point. So it started an uptrend and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so it got to this particular resistance zone. Okay, it got to this particular resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it started selling right from there. However, right here is a support zone. Okay, right here is a support zone. So if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back and try this out. Okay, so this is very important. It has just got into this region. Okay, but right here is another one, and of course if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on uptrend and try out this. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still selling at the moment. It might not be for long in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay, okay guys, this is crash 500, and of course just the way we are seeing it, this actually went on downtrend right from this resistance and got to this region, was unable to break out from there. It had a pullback and of course went down again to break out below that, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will go back into a buy trend, so we should watch out for that. So let's check out volatility 75. This is volatility 75. Volatility 75 started a buy trend right from here, got to this region and played around for a while, pulled back a bit and went back up to break out above this, and of course it has got into this spot right now. So it has not been able to break out above the resistance, and if it's unable to break out from there, then it's going to sell more. Right now it has got into this spot, it has not been able to go below this support zone. Once it breaks out below the support zone, then we expect it to sell more. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not also be for a very long time, most especially once it breaks out below this support zone. That is when it will even sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared here, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.